Decathlon and I bought a SUP pump, which is electric, because I've had the previous ones have been destroyed by the cables, tubes breaking, so I bought an electric one. So let's have a look inside the bag. I've not opened it yet. So there's the machine itself, some rubber suckers on it, and some controls, an on-off switch, plus, minus, and a this way and that way. It's got a thing for a tube to go on the back, which has a seal on it, and a lighter socket plug. So I'm in my camper van, I'm going to plug it into there, and I'm going to pump up my SUP with it, see how it performs. Then we've got the tube itself, which opens up. Looks like it's got 3 other adapters to fit on it as well. So I don't know which one it is yet, I'll find out when I open the SUP up. I'll see how long the cable is. So I'm guessing that'll fit onto there. And then when I get the SUP open I can find out which one it is. What else is in the bag? I have some instructions. Perhaps I should read these before I start, but probably won't. And a bag to keep it, which is handy, because as I said, the tube's broken on the other one, so this will hopefully won't get shut in the van door when I shut it. Right, I'm going to get this plugged in and we'll see how it performs. Okay, so we're inside the van. Right there. Let's see how long it is. Stepping outside. And yeah, it fits outside the door, which is okay, so then I can put the SUP on the floor and I can see, oh, I've got a little display on it now. So I'm guessing what I do is I press plus 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 until I get to 15. I don't know, 10. Put that down the floor. Oh, there you go, it needs a bit of a press. 1. There you go, runs through. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that seems to be as high as it goes. Right, I'll get the SUP out of the bag and then we'll have a see. Okay, here we go. Right, let's see which one it is. Stand up, there you are. I guess it's got to look the same as the plug. So it must be that one. Or is it that one? No, it's that one. Plug that into there. A little pin sticking out. Turn it around. Right, let's go. What do we do? How do we even do it? Oh, it's gone back to 1. 15. What'd you do? How'd you get it to go? Perhaps it's that. 15. I'd say that took 11 minutes. Let's see if we can get this off without losing all the air. Yeah. Well, there we go. Took 11 minutes. They got up to 15 psi, stopped automatically. What's not to like about it? That's the ITIWIT SUP pump, electric pump from Decathlon. So far so good, I like it. Let's see what you think. That's all for now. Have a look at my other videos.